Hey, good news, 67, 68 Cougar owners. Look what just came in. 67, 68 roof skins. Now, I've been working with Dynacorn for years to come up with several reproductions for the 67 to 70 Cougars, and they actually approached me and said, why don't we do roof skins? And I said, no, I got lots of roofs. There's not that much demand for it. Well, that was then. We put out a video a few years ago of Andrew replacing a roof. Bang, all our used roofs evaporated like that. So this is a much needed item. And the good news is it fits perfectly with the Dynacorn quarter panels that will seam right into here. Those will be available in a few days. So here's what I'm offering on this roof skin. We got the first shipment of 10. These are the first 10 off the press. Soon, in a few months, other retailers will have them as well. But for the first 10 purchases, if you'll just give me some feedback over at ClassicCougarCommunity.com on how the installation went, how the fit went, you're going to get a $100 rebate in the form of an in-store credit. That's just for these 10 roofs and only for 90 days. So if you buy the roof today or next week, you got 90 days before that expires. So I want some people on there saying, hey, this is how it fits, this is how it was shipped, this is what I had to do. And that's going to give others confidence to tackle a rather large job. So revisit the video, think about the purchase and giving some feedback, and let's get going on this and save your car.